Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So today's video is regarding SOS for SOS Limited, and I had been making many videos on SOS. Then it was coming down and down, so I was less frequent on making videos on this particular one. And today I think this is the time to make an update on SOS because you need to know what you are holding. Should you buy in? Should you average down? Should you get in or should you sell? So many things in this video I want to talk. So in this video I will talk about the price action, the support resistance, why it came down, also some recent news at the same time what you should be doing. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you can see today we are up 3.6%. The current price is $3, but in the morning we went close to 3.1, then we came down. But what is important that from last Friday, you can see we had a double bottom here, then we are going upwards. So end of Friday we were going, sorry, end of Monday we were going up. So today we moved sideways, and it's again in the morning we ran up hard, came down, and still we are trying and we are battling to go up again. So what is happening, this is most important and why you should be buying or selling. So anyway, let's go back to the chart. You can see that we had a massive run. We went all the way to 15 and 16, then gradually we were coming down and we came down. We tried to regain our $9 area, then we again came down because there was a short seller report at that time. So we went up and down, then again it was coming down. Then we know about the Bitcoin crash, why Bitcoin was coming down, and this is a crypto mining company mostly. And also, like, we know that China crackdown on Bitcoin news, so many things were coming. So, and this company is China based, so it makes sense that Bitcoin, China, you can just put all the puzzles together. So it was coming down, but the good thing is the way Bitcoin came down like 50%, SOS did not came 50%. Now you can say like it was at $15, so it's now at $3, already beaten down a lot. And I agree, I'm not saying. So in this particular video I just want to talk about the price action, the support, resistance, the overall trend. Should you buy now at the discounted price, or if you're holding, should you just average down, or you just skip this particular stock and go somewhere else? So I'm going to talk about the price action for sure, and if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And before I talk, just want to mention few news here that on May 18th, you see the news. So we know they were buying some mining rigs in three chunk. So SOS Limited launches their 6,000 mining rigs as it scales up crypto mining operation. So now they have 6,039 mining rigs received over the past month, have all been put into operation, including a batch of 575 Ethereum mining rigs and also 5,400 rigs for Bitcoin mining. So the 575 ETH rigs are expected to generate approximately 400 gigahash per second, and the 5,400 rigs are expected to generate an aggregate of approximately 177 petahash per second for Bitcoin mining and 356 gigahertz. So you see now they have a lot of mining rig, and you see the power. This is really good, and once everything will be in operational, that will be great. So I'm looking forward to the next earning, because I want to hear how many Bitcoin and Ethereum they have mined, and at the same time, if the Bitcoin price goes up again, then definitely it will be reflected in their earning. So currently across all mining fleet operation, SOS total capacity is expected to generate approximately 527 petahash per second for mining BTC and 1456 gigahash per second for mining ETH. SOS currently gets over 90% of its energy for mining operation from renewable energy. So again, we know about the energy consumption for Bitcoin, and they're saying 90% of their energy is coming from renewable source. And we also know after the Twitter from Elon Musk on energy, Bitcoin came down, but again Elon tweeted yesterday, I guess, because he was talking with North American Miners Association, something about mining Bitcoin using some renewable source. So if you can use renewable energy, then the energy consumption for Bitcoin mining will be gone. So it was a positive catalyst for Bitcoin pricing, not Bitcoin, all the cryptocurrency pricing yesterday. And this one is also looking good. The other thing is they are from China, but again they can move their headquarters and so many things can happen. So anyway, I just wanted to mention this because this thing will affect their next earning, and I'm very interested to see what is their profit and revenue for the next earning. and hopefully Bitcoin will also bounce back. Also, there is a report that crypto miner SOS is the massive upside potential worth there is. So it talks about good and bad, but currently it talks about the downtrend, and end of the day it talks about underperform, and you can see very positive, bearish, positive, and no rating. Then the bottom line is whether or not SOS stack ultimately turns out to be a positive term profit machine or a shell game with fundamentals remains to be seen. So they are not sure, they wanted to wait and see. However, given the anti-Chinese sentiment in the market today, there is reason to be careful with this one. So this is important. Now I want to mention few other things, because we are all talking about crypto, but SOS is not only a crypto company. Yes, their main business is the blockchain innovator serving the world. They're talking, but they also have other service like rescue service, information service, blockchain rescue card, so many things. So this is not the only service they have. Even though we are talking about crypto, but you see they have internet insurance service, vehicle rescue, financial rescue, life rescue, basic cloud service, medical rescue, and so many things, right? So yes, definitely crypto is a big thing for their income, but again, crypto is not the only thing they have. But what I'm thinking is, with the Bitcoin and Ethereum price bouncing back, I think this one will be also useful, and also when the next earning will come, I want to see that. Now let's look at the chart. So first of all, look at the blue line here. So the blue line is showing the overall trend. So we can't break that overall trend yet. So we try to break, then we come down, try to break, we come down, and still today we are up. But again, I'm not saying this is a confirmation we will go up. I want to see we are on the other side of the blue line. So we are breaking the blue line, we are above the 3.1 mark. Most importantly, when I see it is over 3.5, I would say the thing is bouncing back. It came here, it goes, and once it comes here, and then I will say okay, the overall downward pressure is gone and it is going up. And also this is a resistance 3.56, this area. So at that point I will be convinced, and if you are a new investor, I will say wait till you get the confirmation. Or if you're holding, maybe you can just buy a little bit to make your average down, or you wait more if it comes down. But before that, I would just say trade with caution. Do not put all your money. You can always put some money and you can buy, and if it comes down, you can always average down. But again, this could be a risk. Is less than $5, so it's a penny stock, high risk, high reward, and also cryptocurrency, and from China as well. So anyway, so I'm not recommending to get in right now, but this is important for you to see the support and resistance. That is why I have drawn all the lines here. So you can see 3.5 was a previous support, then it became a resistance at that point, right? I'm gonna delete these lines so you know at what point. Then $4 is another resistance, because you can see that it was a support before, and I think it will act as a resistance. Then 4.7, it was already acting as a resistance at some point, and if you go up, then I see 5.3, another resistance, and again on a 6.2, this area another resistance. And if you go up, definitely there is more resistance around 8.8 to $9. So I'm not going that far because we are below $3. At least if from 3, if we go to $6, we can double our money. And definitely if we make upward journey, and once we break 3.5 area, I think I will make another video just to give you the confirmation that now we started going up and you can buy. So if you are sauce lover, or if you are planning to invest in this particular company, then I would say subscribe to this particular channel, because you will get the information when to buy, when to sell. So this is just all the resistance I was talking. Now on an hourly chart, we can also see some other not resistance, I would say the support. So you can see last time we came around 2.8, so it was a 2.8 was a support last time, but previously it was a resistance for many time. So one thing you can do, you can set some limit buy order around 2.75 or 2.8 area. In case it comes down, you can buy more, or if you want, you can also set some limit buy order around $2 area in case it comes down. My average is way up, my average is around $5, and I might buy a little bit more just to make my average down, because I was not buying, I was just waiting, and maybe I will wait more till it bottoms. I want to get the confirmation that it has bottomed. Sometimes you buy the dip and it dips more, you buy the dip, it dips more. So it is very important to wait and do not invest all your money thinking this is the dip. I got the dip, and then after 1 week you found it dipped even further. So I'm just waiting, and this is just a waiting game, but seems like the downward pressure might be moving sideways. But it is important, once we cross the 3.5 mark, maybe at that point I will buy. So again, this video is just an update. Should you buy, should you sell, should you hold? Or if you think, if you do not believe in cryptocurrency or this particular company or China issues, then I would suggest avoid this company. There are so many companies you can go and buy, but if you are holding, I would just say you can average down or hold strong. Do not sell for a loss. This thing might bounce back, but I think this is most probably this is possible. Like from here we go and we hit the 4.7 area. You can see 4.7 area had so many resistance here, some consolidation around this area. So maybe if you get in now from $3 to 4.71, maybe a good profit if you are planning for the swing trade. So anyway, my friend, these are all my thought. I'm not suggesting you anything. Please do your own research before you buy or sell any stock. These are my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. But anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.